Okay, I'm back, and so let's start with our history of the Earth with the formation of the Earth. So, if you recall from lesson number 1, we talked about the formation of the solar system and then the formation of the Earth. So, I refer you back to those very early episodes if you want to know about the formation of the solar system. So, we're going to begin 4.55 billion years ago. And so on our cosmic calendar, this is going to be January the 1st, basically at midnight. And then the Earth is going to form, and very shortly thereafter, the surface is going to be molten. Okay, the next thing that's going to happen, and so this is going to be roughly 100 million years after the formation of the Earth, the Earth is hit by an object about the size of Mars. Now, it was not Mars, but it was an object about the size of Mars, and it hit the Earth. It was a glancing blow, and what it caused, it caused the mantle of the Earth to be sprayed into orbit, and then when it came back together again, it formed the moon. And it also tilted the Earth at 23 degrees. The Earth may have had oceans, and the Earth may have had life. Now, that life would have been basically just bacteria, okay, so very primitive life, but we have no record of that because this collision basically completely destroyed the crust of the Earth, and it vaporized the oceans, and it vaporized the atmosphere, so that there's no record of this collision other than the fact that the Earth is tilted. Okay, so let's go on. And so now we're going to go to 3.8 billion years ago. And so now we're up to March the 1st on our cosmic calendar. And the atmosphere is rebuilt by volcanoes. So as volcanoes erupt, they give off lots of water and they give off lots of carbon dioxide. And so both of those materials started to accumulate in the atmosphere. Okay, then you also have comets. So comets bring in lots of water and lots of carbon dioxide. Even meteorites. So as the Earth was bombarded by meteorites, those meteorites and asteroids, they contain 1% water. So that if the Earth was hit enough times, that's a significant amount of water that's going to be going into the atmosphere. And then as it cools off, it's going to turn into rain, and so the first oceans form. Okay, let's take a break, and when we come back, we're going to talk about what was the first kind of life that the Earth had.